Alright, today so we're gonna fix these headlights. As you can see, clear coat is gone, and the worst one is on this side. There's like a cracking, so we're gonna sand this down and we're gonna clear it with this, and we're gonna see if this actually works or not. So let me just take the headlights out and start the boring process of sanding. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this with 600, but because it's so deep, I'm gonna use some water, but I don't think I'm gonna bore you with this. So I'm gonna cut to the chase once I'm done with this boring stuff. Alright, this is the most I'm willing to go. As you know, I hate sanding, so now I'm gonna hit it with 1000 grit, 1500 and 2000, and then we should be able to apply our coat. So we'll see how that works. Alright, that's the most sanding I'm willing to do. So next thing, thank God for Milwaukee. Now I'm gonna hit it with this and some of the rubbing compound and polish it right after that. But let's get to it. Alright, so that was a rubbing compound with the wool pad. So now I'm gonna go with the foam and polishing compound, and then we're just gonna hit it with the clear, see the results we get. Alright, here's the aftermath, and honestly, I won't say this works. Your hard labor of sanding and polishing works, and this is just a clear coat. So hopefully this keeps it clear for like a year like they say, but if not, you're gonna have to do more sanding after it starts fading away, like that one right there. It's a big difference. So I'm gonna clean this on with the glass cleaner. I'm gonna hit it with this, and then I'm gonna do the same process off camera on this one, which is kind of annoying, but it's gotta be done. Alright, after a lot of elbow grease, the lights are sanded, polished, and now we're gonna clear it, which is the last step. So I'm just gonna mask off the black rubber thingy and we should be done with it. Let's see how that turns out. Alright, so we're gonna hit it with this. It's a clear coat. Test it out here how it goes. Okay. Gotta start on the bottom. Perfect. It's got to dry. 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Alright. So it's got to sit 3 to 5 minutes, and then we got to hit it with a second clear coat. I'm gonna show you the results at the end. Alright, here is the finished product. As you can see, it came out really good. That clear coat actually finished it really good. So now, gotta let it dry for 24 hours and it's gonna look like a brand new car.